I feel it just, whoa, Richard Gene. Feeling like a fishing machine. Takes away a little bit on the sensitivity, but the backbone it gives you huge mercy. As y'all can see, the nubbin performs. The nubbin performs. What's up, guys? Josh here with Creek Seeker Fishing. Just wanted to give y'all a quick overview. This video is a continuation from my last video, labeled Rod Tip Repair. We broke a Lew's 610 medium fast action, and we put another tip on it, and then we took it into the field to test it. And I mean, as you're about to see, the results speak for themselves. It's A+, you know, another one for Lew's, guys. Gotta give it up for Lew's. Had a good trip. Everything went pretty accordingly. I waited about a mile upriver and a mile back, and let's just say we caught a few fish, including one that I've been trying to get on video for a while now, and finally managed to this time. So stay tuned. You're gonna want to see that. And hey, God bless. Stay tuned and fish on, guys. Guys, if you're just joining us, we are doing a field test on this Hank Parker speed stick. It was a 610, and we cut it down and made about a 6.5. So far today it has performed quite well. We put some good ones on, had some fun, caught some good fish, had a blast. Cast after cast. Oh, I saw him hit it. Good job. Appreciate that. Nice, better little spotter. Alright, guys, number 2 out here on the creek. We'll let go. Whoa, okay. Alright. Maybe that means the bat's starting to get a little crunk up. So far, the nubbin is doing good, guys. Nothing wrong with the nubbin. Even better hook set on the, I'm making it a faster action. Much better hook set. He slammed it. What's up, guys? Welcome to Creek Seeker Fishing. Oh, we had to change up batteries. Bite's been slow this morning, but the old nubbin has performed. I will give it that. We just got to get a couple more on, give us a full review. A lot of the sensitivity got taken away, so you got to be watching. Be a line watcher. Oh, there it is. Better fish. Nice. There he is in there. There he is in there. Alright. As y'all can see, the nubbin performs. The nubbin performs. Nice spot. Couldn't help that, Helgermite, could you? Whoop, don't you thrash around on me. Got nowhere to put you except for in my hand, man. Nice. Nice. The nubbin comes through again. Nicer fish. Solid pounder here. Holy! That spot. And there it went. Out of my hand. Well, stinker. Okay. Well, that was easy. Didn't get a picture, but well, oh well. Nice fish. Oh, he was fun. Love the nubbin. I'll put a better reel on this thing, start using it. Whoop, there he is. Oh, another one. Oh, another better fish, guys. Yeah, another one. Same hole. And he tossed my Helgermite. Let's see if we can get that. I don't give out no free meals. Nope. Hey, largemouth. Largemouth. Look at the largemouth, guys. Man, I was going to go to preaching about this being the Lux Palala, and there he goes. Another part of the Lux Palala, guys. Golly. Oh, frisky old things, ain't they? Golly. Nice. Largemouth in a spot out of the same hole. How about that? And the nubbin continues to perform, guys. The nubbin continues to perform. Alright, we're going to save the Cox Creek for now, and we're going to go with the Northern Lights Hellgrammite. Let's start getting some pictures with these fish. Had my fish brain stats. Boy, something just jumped to my immediate left. Like it's just asking for me to come on with it. Come on with it, he says. I got it. Down there somewhere, there he is. Oh, crud. Didn't have the hook. Another largemouth too. That was awesome. Couldn't have played around with him. Should have set the hook better. Oh, goodness. There he went again. Oh, he wanted it. Oh, yeah, booby. Oh, shadow bass. Oh, guys, I have been waiting to get one of these on camera, catching one on camera, and here it is. A shadow bass. More related to a sunfish or crappie than a bass, actually, but they are awesome to look at. They got bright red eyes and this awesome camo pattern all over them. If I could keep him from sticking me, golly, he's sticking the mess out of me. Oh, okay. Nice, guys. Check him out. Shadow bass on the looks. That deep red eye he's got. Awesome little shadow bass. Cool. Okay, guys. Shadow bass with the let go. There you go. Alright, God bless the fish on. That was awesome, guys. I've been waiting so long to get. I've caught 3 before, but none of them on camera. Took pictures, none of them on camera. So that was a win right there. Hey, for old nubbin, man, how hard was that to get that in that thing's mouth? That had to be roof. Oh, a fish? I surely do. A little beater. A little beater. Little baby largemouth. Yep. You just go ahead and take yourself off like the rest of them did if you want. Or you can wait. There we go. Hey, real baby. Little baby. Let go. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Go on now, get. C-E-A, alright. That might be as many largemouths we caught spots today. I don't come out to the Lux usually expecting to catch a whole lot of largemouth. Sneaking. We can still get enough distance to make it hit. There. Oh, I hope. Oh, nice. Good fish. Oh, he leaped out of the water for it. Get out of there. Nice fish. Largemouth again, and they keep getting bigger. I love it. I love it. Large and loving it. All right, guys. Had my fish brain stats a little bit. Now, beautiful fish. That's beautiful. Chunker. Chunker Deluxe. On the creek, guys. Here we go. Oh, largemouth. All right. God bless the fish on, guys. He was fun. Largemouth on his head. He might have been a hybrid. He was too much fun. All right, guys. Some nice catches out here. The nubbin checks out. A+. I give the nubbin an A+, guys. Get a time check, see what we're working with here, too. 11 o'clock. All right, should be heating all the way up now. The old bite should be heating all the way up. Oh man, right in the V of that tree. Okay. Oh, I see a fish swimming right there. Right there. Did I get him? Yeah, I got him. Got him. Got him. Hey, and he spit me out. Sweet. I didn't try to set the hook on him real hard. I knew he was a biddy. I seen him, his little tail waggling around over there before I even caught him. Knew you was in there. Oh, pretty old spot. Oh, you gotta love him. Knew you was in there, buddy. Knew you was in there, buddy. That's about the average size of them all day, guys. About a pound. Nice spots, though. Nice largemouth and nice spots. Nice. Nice spot. Ooh, them teethers. Mean boys right there. All right, God bless and fish on. On to the next one. You know the deal, guys. You know the deal. Solid little creek fish. And then we send him on his way. Alright. Alright. Fun on a bun. That's got to be what? 4 or 5 spots and I think 3 largemouth. Yes, sir. Guys, I have to say old nubbin has done its duty today. Old Mr. Nubbin will not be his last fishing trip. That's got to be a little spot I seen over here in this hole spooked a minute ago. Well, I mean, it ain't got to be, but really would have thought it was. You know, if we can sunfish had to have a tag at it. Nope, not another sunfish. Old baby spot. Old baby spotter. Where are you? What are you? What are you? Old baby spotter. Oh, hybrid. You ain't got no tooth patch. I guess that makes you a largemouth. Yeah, mouth's big enough. Yep, little baby largemouth action, guys. See if he'll do us a little dance, because they like to do the dance. Alright, on to the next one. God bless fish on, guys. We got the whole way back. Oh, out of the little hole. Out of the itty bitty hole. And they starting to knock now, guys. And largemouth act. No. I don't know, actually. We'll have to feel for a tongue patch. Another little baby. Largemouth, I'm thinking. Alright, guys, with the putback action. Alright, guys, God bless some fish on. Let's see if we can hang Momo. Or Popo. Whoa. There he is. What's up, guys? Back in the action. I don't know if I caught that last catch on camera, but it was decent. Not as good as some of the ones we've had today, but decent. Nubbin strikes again. The nubbin strikes again. A large noise. Noise. Alright, guys. A little chunky little largemouth. Alright, we gotta be making our way out of here. No giants today. Well, yet. Oh, yeah, better fish. Woo, nice. Nice. Nubbin strikes again. Nice fish, dude. Quality fish. Quality creek fish. Largemouth action. Again. We're hooking in largemouth lately.
What's up, guys? Here we are again at the end of our adventure in our video. This was a follow-up video to our last one, which was a how-to on a rod tip repair. We're calling it fishing with nubbin. If you guys didn't know, nubbin is what Richard Gene, the fishing machine, calls his broken rods. So we're giving these rods a second life, repairing the tip and putting them back into the creek. And this is our field test video. Hey, woo, guys. God bless and fish on.